Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down right away to access Security and Privacy. Following that, click on Lock Screen and tap on Screen Lock. You can also click on Lock Screen over here in Devices Settings and tap on Screen Lock Type at the top. Either way, over here click on the best login method for you: PIN, password or pattern. Then create it. Click Continue at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Then select Confirm. Now you can manage lock screen notifications by adjusting all of those options, or disable them completely by hitting blue switcher at the top. You can enable them by choosing the same now gray switcher. When you are finished, hit Done at the bottom. Then decide if you wish to turn on Remote Unlock option by selecting one of those options in the pop-up. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!